Hello everyone, this is Shikha. Now we have reached a textual part of the chapter The Lost Child from our book Moments. So, question number one, it's a little longer. What are the things the child sees on his way to the fair? Why does he lag behind? Now we have to give a complete description, whatever the things were there in the exhibition that the child saw. The child sees a number of things which fascinate him on his way to the fair. Now we are describing all the things from the way to the exhibition. Okay, so firstly he saw toys at the shop. This was the first thing. Then he saw a flowering mustard field. And then after the toy shop, he saw flowering mustard field. In the fields, the child also saw dragonflies, butterflies fluttering their wings. Now, in the mustard field, what he saw? Dragonflies, butterflies, and fluttering who were fluttering their wings. Different type of insects and worms. Then, while walking on the footpath, he was amazed by the insects and worms. Now, so many insects and worms in the groups, they all were coming on the way of the footpath from where the child was going. So, he was also attracted to look on them. When he entered the grove, he saw doves which were cooing. Now, when he enters in the shade of the trees, there he saw doves, the birds, okay, and they were producing sound in cooing. As he neared the village with his parents, he saw a huge crowd of people going to the fair. Now, at the entrance of the village with his parents, he saw that so many other people were also going ahead towards the fair. The child also came across sweet meat sailor selling sweet like burfi and gulab jamun, and little further he came across a flower seller who was selling a garland of gulmohar. So after entering the exhibition, the first shop he saw, that was the sweet seller shop that was on the corner of the exhibition, and after that he saw a shop of the flower seller who was selling the garland of gulmohar. Walking ahead, he saw a man selling rainbow color balloons. Then at third shop was of a balloon seller who was having so many colorful, beautiful balloons. He also saw a snake charmer who stood playing a flute to a snake. Now he came to the snake charmer who was playing the flute, and the snake was dancing on the music of that flute. Finally, before losing track of his parents, he saw a roundabout swing. The child keeps lagging behind his parents on the way. Means at the last he saw a roundabout, a ride of merry-go-round that was swinging, but that time after that thing he lost his parents and he was lagging behind. He left behind from his parents because the parents were on his way, on their way, and the father have to constantly call him so that he doesn't lag behind. So whenever he left behind, his father or mother started calling him to come towards them so that he cannot left behind. This is because the child is fascinated by all the things he sees on his way. Why he was leaving behind again and again? Because there were so many new things for the child that he sees first time in his life. So many alluring, attracting things. So to see those things, the child just unhold the finger of his father and mother and left behind again and again. At times he stops to be able to buy toys, and at other times he stops to admire the beauty of the nature, collecting flowers, catching butterfly. So sometime he left behind just because of to buy any toys, and just because of admiring is called to praise the beauty of the nature in collection of the flowers or catching butterflies. Means these were the actions which forced him to leave his parents and left behind. So this was a big question. I try to give you the explanation. It's a very easy question. You can just try to learn this question in a form of a story. Okay. Question number two, in the fair he wants many things. What are they? Why does he move on without waiting for an answer? Now we have to give the description of all the things he wants in the fair. The child, many things in the fair he wants. They are toys and balloons, sweets from the sweetmeat sailor, garland of gulmohar, watching the snake charmer play flute to a snake, a ride in the roundabout. The boy moved on without waiting for an answer because he knew that his request would be denied at each step. So all these things in the exhibition the child was attracted towards, and he wants to own all these things, but he knew that his parents is not going to allow him to have those things. Question number 3. When does he realize that he has lost his way? How have his anxiety and insecurity been described? So, when the child found himself left alone in the exhibition, and how his anxiety is called worry. So, how he get worried and he feel insecure that his parents is not there. He realizes that he has lost his way when, on reaching the roundabout, he stopped to observe it moving in full swing, with man, woman, and children enjoying themselves on it. Watching them intently, he turned to his parents to ask for permission to go on the rounds, but there was no reply from them. He turned to look for them, but they were not there. He looked all around, but there was no sign of them. A full, deep cry rose within his dry throat, and with a sudden jerk of his body, he ran from where he stood. Crying out in real fear, "Mother, father!" Tears rolled down from his eyes. His flushed face was convulsed with fear. Panic stricken, he ran from one side to the other in all directions, knowing not where to go. His yellow turban came untied, and his clothes became muddy. Now, this is the total description of the place from the point from where he lost his parent and how he is feeling now, in which condition he was now. So at the last point he saw roundabout, and for the permission he turned back to see towards his parent, but his parents were not there. So suddenly at that moment he was panic stricken. A fear just came into his heart, and he started crying a lot, calling his father and mother. Now he was running all where in the exhibition, here and there, in all the direction, but he was not able to find his parents. His clothes became dirty, his turban is untied, and his all face become flushed with the tears, means he was in a state of panic stricken. So this was the condition when he started feeling insecure himself. Next question: why does the lost child lose interest in the things that he had wanted earlier? The lost child loses interest in the things that he had wanted earlier because he was panic stricken on being separated from his parents. All he wanted was to be united with them. All the things that attracted him in the fair no longer appealed to him, and now the only thing that matters is finding his parents. So all the things which he wanted previously was of no matter now. Why? Because the child is alone now in exhibition. His parents were not there near him, and he was very much filled with the fear, very much stricken with the panic, and now the only thing he wants, only his parents. No things that were present in the exhibition can attract him now or appeal him now. Now came to the last question: what do you think happens in the end? Does the child find his parents? Now in this question we have to suppose the ending of the story, because the clear ending is not given in the story, so it is asked through this question. In the end, the parents, who continuously kept checking to see that he was with them right from the beginning of their journey, may have suddenly realized that he was missing and come looking for the lost child. The kind and understanding man who tried to console the little boy by offering him various things at the fair may have also asked him for some description of his parents and helped him to be reunited with them. So means we can also suppose, me obviously we will suppose towards a positive ending of the story, means the from the very beginning of the story, both the parents, both the mother and father, they were so vigilant about the security of the child, that again and again they were calling him that child come. So when the child lost in the fair, so the parents, they do worried about their child, so they would also have been searching for their child, and the man with whom the child was there, that was looking a understanding and a kind person, so he must have tried taken out some way, because at this place, like exhibition place, we do find a type of reception area at which place you can just go and place your request. So he must have been tried to ask about the appearance of their parents, and he must have made the announcement that there is a lost child, so like this the parents and the child may be reunited. So this was very sweet story. The textual part I have also completed. I tried to give the simple explanation of the answer, so you will be able to become comfortable to write or give your answers. So that's it for now. We'll meet again.